A very good morning to all my dear students of class 1 and to all watching out my video. I am your grammar teacher Miss Mayuri Rajput from St. Joseph School and I welcome you all to this online class. So our last video was about the first chapter of our subject, that is the alphabet. So dear children, have you revised the chapter? Good if you have revised, and if you have not revised, then start revising from today onwards. So, in this video, we will learn about the second chapter of our subject, chapter 2 of unit 1, that is sentences. So, what is a sentence? Or what is the definition of a sentence? Okay, let me tell you the definition of a sentence first. So, the definition of a sentence is like this: a group of words that makes a complete sense is called a sentence. I repeat, a group of words that makes a complete sense is called a sentence. So, let us make it more clear with the help of our book. I request you to please open page number 8 of your grammar book.
So this is page number 8 of your grammar book, dear children. Please open your book. Chapter 2, sentences. Read the words. Tick the groups of words that make sense. You have to read the words and then tick the groups of words that makes sense. That makes sense means that are meaningful. So there are two pictures given. Below the pictures, there are sentences written. We have to tick the correct one. Need plants sunlight. Does it make any sense? No, it does not make any sense. Need plants sunlight. So what will be the correct sentence? This will be the correct sentence. Plants need sunlight. Plants need sunlight. Dear children, as you need food to live, similarly, plants need sunlight to live. Sunlight is their food. Okay? Coming to the next one. Stars twinkle in the sky. Twinkle in the sky, stars. So, what is the correct sentence? The first one. Stars twinkle in the sky. Here in the picture you can see there are so many stars with a beautiful moon. These stars twinkle in the sky. So here is the definition of sentence. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. A sentence begins with a capital letter. A sentence ends with a full stop, a question mark, or an exclamation mark. So dear children, as the definition says, a sentence is a group of words. That means a sentence is a combination of more than one or two words that makes complete sense. That means a sentence should be meaningful. The words used in a sentence should make a complete sense, meaningful sense. And a sentence always begins with a capital letter. The first letter of a sentence should always be capital. A sentence ends with a full stop. If it is a simple sentence, it will end with a full stop. And if it is a question, so it will end with a question mark or an exclamation mark. This is a full stop. This is a question mark and this is an exclamation mark. So let us do the book exercise. So the first question is, there is a sentence hidden in each row. Color the boxes to make sentences. In this question, there is a sentence hidden in each row. There are rows given in this question. In each row, there is a sentence. So how you will make a sentence? After joining the words. There are many words given. After joining the words in each row, you will make a meaningful sentence. So dear children, this you have to color it by yourself. You can use any color that is your favorite. But dear children, do not use sketch pens in your book. Okay, so the first one is already done for you. The cow gives us milk. We will leave this shed. This is of no use here in the sentence. So the second one is, where I love my mother, full stop, So the correct sentence will be, I love my mother. I love my mother. So you have to color these words. Third, when can, where are my skates? Can you see this question mark? So by this we can say this is a question. So what will be the correct sentence here? Where are my skates? Where are my skates? Fourth, Aryan and Faraz are swimming. Car. Aryan and Faraz are swimming. So what will be the correct sentence? Aryan and Faraz are swimming. This is the correct sentence. So we will skip this word, car. Aryan and Faraz are swimming is the correct sentence. Fifth, if two farmers grow crops is. So what will be the correct sentence? So as you all know, a sentence always begins with a capital letter. So in this word, there is a capital letter. So this word is a correct one. Farmers grow crops. Yes, this will be a correct sentence. Farmers grow crops. Sixth, the duck laid an egg. Farm. So what will be the correct sentence? Any guess? The duck laid an egg. The duck laid an egg is the correct sentence. We will skip this word, farm. The duck laid an egg. Seventh and the last one, many, the baby is happy. Are. So the correct sentence will be, the baby is happy. Simple sentence. The baby is happy. Question B. Rearrange the words to make sentences. In this question, we have to rearrange the words to make correct sentences. These words are not arranged in a correct sequence. So we will arrange them in a correct sequence to make meaningful sentences. First, this one is already done for you. My birthday today is. Dear children, as you all know, a sentence always begins with a capital letter. So it is quite understood that today will come at first. So today is my birthday. Today is my birthday will be the correct sentence. And one more thing, dear children, a sentence always ends with a full stop. So we will put a full stop at the end of the sentence. at the end of each and every sentence wherever it is needed. Coming to the next one. Second, a cake my mother bakes. So, my mother, M is capital. So, this will come at first. My mother bakes a cake will be the correct sentence. At last, we will put a full stop. Third, puts a candle, she, on the cake. So, she puts a candle on the cake. She puts a candle on the cake. Fourth, candle out, I blow the. So, I blow the candle out will be the correct sentence with a full stop. Fifth, I cut cake the. It is a very easy sentence, isn't it? So the correct sentence will be I cut the cake. I cut the cake. Question number C. This is the last question of the chapter. Take the correct groups of words to make sentences. In this question, we have to take the correct groups of words to make a meaningful sentence. The first one already done for you. The first option is a new toy and the second option is very big. So, I have a new toy will be the correct answer because I have very big does not make any sense, but I have a new toy makes a sense. Second, the swan dash. The swan, the first option is run up. Can the swan run? No, a swan cannot run. The second option is swims in the pond. So yes, this is the correct option. The swan swims in the pond. So we will tick on this option. You have to write this sentence here in the given blank. You have to write it by yourself in a neat and clean handwriting. Third, a cow dash. A cow has horns. A cow has horns. The second option is near me. A cow near me. No, this is not a correct option. So the correct option is has horns. So what will be the correct sentence? A cow has horns. Let us see the horns. These are the two horns of a cow. A cow has horns. Fourth, the train dash. The train is my. No, this is not a correct sentence. The train cannot be yours. The train is very long will be the correct sentence. So we will tick on this. The train is very long. Fifth, the sunflower. The sunflower in the park or is yellow? The sunflower is. What is the color of the sunflower? The color of the sunflower is yellow. The sunflower is yellow will be the correct sentence. Sixth, the fairy dash. The fairy has a magic wand or no shoes. Let us see the fairy. The fairy has a magic wand. Yes, this is a magic wand. So, the fairy has a magic wand. Okay, dear children. So, this was all about the chapter. Chapter 2, Sentences. Hope you enjoyed learning about this chapter. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take a very good care of yourself and practice hard and study hard. Thank you and have a good day.